maybe the last humanist. Who in their right mind, Kevin, could possibly deny the 20th century was entirely mine? All of it, Kevin! All of it!
Vanity is definitely my favorite sin.
Judged him. Why? Because I never rejected him. In spite of all his imperfections, I'm a fan of man!
Better to reign in hell than serve in heaven, is that it?
Why not?
Mejor reinar en el infierno que servir en el cielo.
¿Y por qué no?